Ever wonder why cough syrup turns you into a sleepyhead? Let me break it down. You take a swig, and suddenly your eyelids feel like they weigh a ton. Why? It's all about those sneaky antihistamines. They're designed to dry up mucus, but also have a side effect: drowsiness. So when you're trying to soothe that scratchy throat, you might just end up snoozing on the couch instead. It's like a sleep potion in a bottle. So next time you reach for that syrup, remember, it's not just about feeling better, it's about catching some unexpected Z's. Did you ever fall asleep unexpectedly? Share your story in the comments.